called advanced e-row or knob on your knee. So what this drill is gonna focus on is when I go advanced e-row, knob on your knee, knob on knee. So all your weight is gonna be on this rear leg. All your weight's gonna be on that right leg. So my knob on my knee, balance. As my knob comes up, I'm gonna load into this rear hip. So we wanna crunch the front side and load in the hip. So this is gonna crunch and coil. Crunch your side, coil your hip. So knob on knee. As I pull my hands up to a good load, I'm gonna load in that hip. Load in that hip. Okay, so you're gonna feel all the energy, all the load, all of it right here in this rear leg, up the back, and you're gonna crunch your front side. That's where we're gonna generate power. So it's gonna be slowed, it's gonna be controlled. So knob on your knee, hands start to come up, I'm gonna coil my hip, crunch my side, and load in that back hip. Load, and then you're gonna get through and sit. Okay, so the whole purpose is controlled, load in this rear hip, coil the hip, crunch the front. Knob on the knee, controlled, we're working on balance. Hands go up, front, crunch, coil, and load. Crunch, coil, and load. Knob on your knee, crunch, coil, and then now I'm gonna swing through. So what we're gonna do on a T, knob on knee, crunch, coil, load in your back hip, turn, and then you're through. On the rear leg, I'm dialed into that rear leg. I'm dialed into the crunch here. I want to generate that power. Knob the knee, feel the load, feel the rhythm, crunch, and then you're through. That's our advanced e-row or knob on the knee. All right, so we're gonna go knob on that knee, okay? Slow, so it's gonna be hard because you're gonna wanna go off balance. So knob on the knee, make sure my leg, my rear leg is bent. Because if I don't have good stability and good anchor down in that rear leg, then I'm gonna fall, okay? So get into that knob on your knee. Okay, and now as your hands go up, you're gonna kind of load. I want you to really feel crunch, coil, hip. Okay, crunch, coil, load. Okay, as your hands are coming up, slow. Knob on knee, crunch, coil, turn. Good. Crunch, make it slow, feel the rear leg, feel the crunch. Okay, so what I want you to do here on this one, when you go, so look, as I'm right here, I'm gonna crunch at the same time. So as I'm pulling up, I'm gonna crunch. And then once my hands get to the highest point, now I'm gonna go. Okay, so try to crunch and pull up and sit in that rear hip all at the same time. There you go. Good. That one kind of had a little bit of movement with your hands. Kind of went straight down with your hands. So when you go and you coil in that hip, and I get here, everything's gonna drop and turn. Okay, turn your triangles. So we've worked on the triangles, we've worked on the hip turn, so don't think about the hands. Take them out, just focus on the pull. Pull your elbows. Turn the triangle, Crunch slow. That's all right. Think rhythm. This is your rhythm. Your rhythm is your load. How do we gather into that back hip? How do I get in there? Slow. hard to turn the triangles. Hard to turn the triangles when your hand goes right here. Okay? So if my hand goes right here, am I turning that triangle? No. Okay? So tell yourself, turn the triangle. Give me 3 more. Turn the triangle. Turn the triangle. Slow. Crunch. Turn the triangle up. Your hands like to move before your elbows do. You want to think shoulders rotate under, elbows rotate up, and it's just going to pull my hands through. Good. Okay, give me 1 more. Crunch. Leave your hands up and turn your elbows.